Welcome to Car Wisdom. Today we're reviewing the 2026 BMW 3 Series 330i sedan, the entry-level rear-wheel drive trim starting around $48,000. This compact luxury sedan targets professionals who want sporty handling with daily usability, blending performance and refinement for city commutes, highway runs, and suburban drives. The powertrain features a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder mild hybrid engine, making 255 horsepower at 4,700 RPM and 295 pound-feet of torque from 1,600 RPM. It pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, standard, with xDrive all-wheel drive optional. In real life, this delivers smooth, low-end pull for traffic lights and merges without overwhelming daily errands. Performance shines with 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.6 seconds. Throttle response feels sharp yet controllable in city traffic, while highway passing builds confidence quickly. Steering is precise and weighted for suburbs or twisty roads, braking firm and progressive. Overall balance favors enthusiasts but stays composed for practical use. Ride comfort uses a firm suspension that absorbs potholes decently on highways, though it transmits sharper bumps in urban areas. Cabin insulation cuts wind noise well at speed, but road noise creeps in on coarse pavement, especially with run-flat tires. Long road trips remain fatigue-free for driver and passengers. Fuel economy rates 28 miles per gallon city, 35 highway, and 31 combined on premium fuel, with a 15.6-gallon tank for around 437 to 546 miles of range. Real-world driving yields from 25 to 32 miles per gallon in mixed American conditions like stop-go traffic and interstate hauls. Exterior design keeps iconic kidney grille styling, sleeker LED headlights and taillights. Sidelines are athletic with 18-inch wheels standard, mirrors folding electrically. Paint holds up well, panel gaps tight, building confidence in long-term durability. No major changes from last year. Practical exterior includes a trunk with 17 cubic feet of space, no spare tire, run flats instead, and no roof rails or towing capacity over 1,000 pounds without upgrades. Entry height suits parking garages easily. Inside, the dashboard uses soft-touch plastics and leatherette, with supportive front seats offering power adjustments and heating optional. Rear space fits adults for short trips, 38.7 inches headroom up front. Storage includes door pockets and console bins. Infotainment centers on a 14.9-inch touchscreen with iDrive 8.5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation and voice controls. A 12.3-inch digital cluster is clear, with 360 cameras optional. Connectivity covers Bluetooth and USB-C ports. Safety standards include forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and parking sensors are available in packages. No full self-parking standard. Interior practicality offers 2 front cup holders, optional wireless charging, sliding armrests, and a console shifter. Rear seats have USB-C outlets, an armrest with cup holders, and latch anchors for child seats. Daily items fit without issue. Pricing starts at about $48,675 for 330i, climbing to $58,000 with options. M340i around $60,000. Ownership costs premium fuel and maintenance, but strong resale holds value. It balances features against rivals like Audi A4. The 2026 BMW 3 Series suits driving enthusiasts needing a practical sedan. Deal breakers include limited trunk space, firm ride, and no spare tire. Buyers prioritizing handling over max comfort or cargo get the most value. Recommended if you drive engagingly daily.